Hello guys, today we have a product from T-Parts. It is a hidden magnetic storage box and it's made for Tesla 3s and Ys. We're going to go ahead and install this product on this unused space behind the screen. It is very simple to install. It comes with two components. It is the storage box and the magnetic mount. Okay, this magnetic mount has indicators for the left and right positions right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and install this part right here. And we're going to go ahead and install the storage box simply to the magnetic box just by snapping it in. There you go. This product is so simple to install, there's no tools required. Apparently the temperature sensors on the Teslas are underneath the screens. This storage box has a hollow center design so that way the temperature sensor doesn't get affected. The product features a precise fit and a large storage capacity. It also has silicone inside the storage bins so that way your stuff is not rolling around. The silicone inside the bins ensures a noise-free atmosphere while driving. Another feature of this product is that it keeps your valuables hidden. If you're a Tesla owner, you know that organization and cleanness is definitely a must, and this product actually helps you with that. I want to thank you for watching and see you on the next video.